Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I said welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I said welcome back to my channel. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, I know this look is old and played out and everybody has done it, but no one has done the Wild Thoughts Rihanna look using all Fenty Beauty products. Hector, one of the global makeup artists for Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, he recently recreated the Wild Thoughts video look using the Galaxy palette and the lip paint in Uncensored. And so I was like, wow, I have all those products. I have the Galaxy palette, I have the Stunner lip paint, I have the matchsticks, I have the foundation, the primer, I have everything that he used. And so I wanted to recreate that look using all of the products that he used to recreate the Wild Thoughts video look. So guys, if you would like to see how I achieve that look, keep watching. So I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty primer, 2 pumps, and dab that all over my face and just massage it into my skin. This primer feels like a moisturizer. I really like this primer. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in 430, pump that at least 2 to 3 times on my face, dab it all over my skin, and then take my brush and blend. I really love how this foundation gives a nice soft matte finish. It really looks flawless and it looks like skin. Wow. Then I'm taking the matchstick in Suede. Didn't really like the way that it was applying, so I had to warm it up on my fingers to get it to apply a little bit better. But I'm going to apply that under my eyes and highlight my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and below my lip. Then I'm going to go in with the Matchstick Espresso and use that for contouring my nose, my cheekbones, and my forehead. So as I started to blend in the concealer, I was just not feeling it. So I had to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and blend that in just to get that highlight look that I was looking for. And then after that, I went ahead and blended in my contour. So what you see me doing now is just dusting away the Laura Mercier setting powder that I like to use when setting my concealer. Then I'm going to take the Matchstick in Espresso again and just use that as my transition color in the crease of my eye. Then I'm going to take the color Midnight Bolt from the Galaxy palette and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Then I'm going to take a smudge brush and apply Midnight Bolt on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Space Out and I'm going to apply that in my outer crease and just kind of create a smoky look. I'm also going to apply Space Out on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to take the color Milky Way and I'm just going to apply that color right underneath my brow bone. I'm also going to use Milky Way to highlight the inner corners of my eye, and then I'm going to go back into my Matchsticks Espresso just to blend in the colors, just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. And then I'm just going to set my face with some Fix Plus. Lastly, I'm going to take the Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored and just apply that all over my lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually flip the brush over and just use the edge of the brush to kind of outline my lips. And then I'm going to flip it back over to use the flat part to fill in my lips. Oops, we can't forget the highlight. I'm going to take the Matchstick in Cinnamon and I'm just going to apply that on the high points of my cheekbones. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it. I really had a lot of fun playing with the Galaxy palette. I didn't really experience a lot of fallout doing it, so I thought that worked well, and the color payoff was really nice, especially when I sprayed it with some Studio Fix to give it some extra oomph. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please, 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 Mr. Jailer, no, I'm just joking, please, please, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can get notifications for when I upload new videos. Peace, be blessed.